Yes, sir.
So, okay, everyone, sit straight without back support. We'll chant the Sangachadvam prayer once and then Om Shanti. Om Sangachadvam Samvaddadvam Samvo Manasi Janatam Deva Bhagai Yatha Purve Sanjanana Upasate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Namo Namah everyone. Welcome to this orientation course or orientation program of the therapy program, the therapist courses. So let me first tell you the background. YCB, that is Yoga Certification Board, has launched the yoga therapy courses. There are 3 yoga therapy courses launched by Yoga Certification Board. So they have given the syllabus for 3 courses. They have given 3 therapy courses. One is the assistant yoga therapist, second is yoga therapist, and the third is yoga consultant. So if you see the syllabus, you will be able to find out the purpose of having these 3 divisions or 3 levels. So the first is the yoga assistant yoga therapist. So assistant yoga therapist mein the job requires individual to have good communication skills, time management skills, ability to understand the body language of trainees. It requires individual to possess key qualities such as self-discipline, etc., etc. काफी दिया हुआ है. But basically, what it means is, assistant yoga therapist is going to assist the yoga therapist, and they are going to help the patients to do the techniques. Okay, they are going to help the patients, whatever the plan is given by the yoga therapist, that has got to be executed from them. For example, someone is diabetic and the yoga therapist is making a course or making a schedule, then the yoga therapist, assistant yoga therapist job is to teach those techniques to them, make the corrections, etc., and execute the plan. Then the yoga therapist जो है, yoga therapist का overall एक job ये होता है कि since yoga therapist as a little higher category, they are going to be diagnosing the patient, they are going to be examining their health characteristics, and they will be making up, drawing out the plan for how to go about for the therapy. Okay, and they will have the team of yoga assistant yoga therapists with them for executing their plans, and they will also be guided by the yoga consultants. Okay, so that is the job of the yoga therapist. And the third is the yoga consultant. So yoga consultant is you can say the highest level in the yoga therapy courses. The job requires he should be a registered medical practitioner or a postgraduate in any yoga therapy. So a registered doctor of any stream, homeopathy, Ayurvedic, allopathy is all right. And uh, Otherwise, he has to be having a master's in yoga, master of science or master of arts in yoga from a recognized UGC recognized institute. Okay. Now, this his job is mostly a consultant kind of a job, where mostly the uh, guidance to the yoga therapist in case of complex cases, as well as the guidance from more guidance from the medical point of view will be given to the yoga therapist. So you can understand that the overall plan of yoga's YCB, the board, is to really have this whole exercise in a very professional manner. And because the government is certifying the people who are doing this course and passing the examination to go and conduct therapy or do therapy for the diseased people. So for the diseased people taking up officially, it requires a lot of responsibility and care has to be taken, and a lot of knowledge base is required. That is why these three levels have been kept. And the three levels, if you see the number of hours, now there are two ways in which you can do these certifications. One is without doing any course, and second is after doing a course. Okay. Now, when I say without doing a course, there are you can directly appear for the course, which will be appear for the examination, which will be conducted by the PRCBs, the certification bodies. And these examinations will be declared not immediately after some time, because they also need to be prepared. I don't think any of them are yet prepared for running these examinations. Okay. And the second way is after doing a course. Now, when I'm saying after doing a course, it means after doing a course from a certified school. Now, the certification program, certification audits for therapy courses is not yet begun. Therapy schools is not yet started. Here also, probably New Age Yoga is going to be, will probably become the first school. We have not yet started, but I'm quite sure that we will become the first, because not much of activity is there. But yes, the when one catch is there, that those leading institutes like Yoga Institute is there or Ambika is there. So these leading institutes can take these courses with their existing certification. We as a training center, we have to take a separate certification as a yoga therapy school, which we'll be doing very soon after we start the course. So that is as far as the course and the examination is concerned. Now, the prerequisite, if you are doing a course, then there are prerequisites for uh, enrolling for each course. So the prerequisite for assistant yoga therapist is 10 plus 2 pass, that is 12 standard pass, yoga therapist. Okay. For yoga therapist, it is a degree, and for yoga consultant, you have to be a medical doctor, as I told you, from any discipline, and uh, also you need also, or you can be a master's in science as well as in arts also, it is fine, from any recognized university. Okay, these are the prerequisites. Now, however, when you are doing courses, now when you are doing this course from NAI, New Age Yoga Institute, what are the prerequisites or what are the credits which are already available? Now, as New Age Yoga Institute, currently we are admitting only students who have done the yoga protocol instructor course earlier or yoga wellness instructor course earlier, because the number of hours we are reducing. In the sense, especially for Shruti, I will tell you that this course can be done if you have done the assistant yoga therapist course, can be done if you have done a yoga protocol instructor course. And yoga protocol instructor or एक मिनट एक मिनट जस्ट मिनट हाँ उषा हाँ पण लिंक पाठवली मी ग्रुप मध्ये. अच्छा, लिंक. Okay, let me try. हाँ, Minal. Minal? Is
Yeah,
Minal?
sir.
Yeah. Can you send a link in the group, main group, contact joining link? Some people are not able to join.
Okay, I'll do it.
Link with the pass, which does not require the password.
Okay, sir, I'll do it.
Direct link. Okay. Welcome, sir. Namo Namah. So what I was saying was, now when you are coming to New Age Yoga for these therapy courses, we have kept certain conditions or certain additional prerequisites. Like for assistant yoga therapy, you should have completed a yoga protocol instructor course. Okay. Now you may ask me that should I have a certificate from Ayush? No. If you have not given examination and if you have not passed the examination of YPI, even then you are eligible to do the YPI assistant yoga therapist course. That means you should have gone through the course and you should have learned the syllabus which is given in the YPI yoga protocol instructor. Then you can do the yoga therapist course which is launched by New Age Yoga Institute. Okay, is that clear? You can, if there is anything which is not clear, you can please ask me in between also, no problem. Okay. So that is the prerequisite for assistant yoga therapist. For a yoga therapist course, the prerequisite is YWI or yoga wellness instructor. Now when I am saying YPI and YWI, we are keeping this open also for those people who have done earlier the level 1 and level 2 as per the QCI syllabus. I think who is Riddhi?
Bhagyashree sir, मी name
हाँ,
करायला.
भाग्यश्री, नाव change करना. I think you are there from the earlier batches. We have done the level
Level 1.
Level 1.
Batch 10.
Batch 10. Level 1. Correct. So it is possible to do assistant yoga therapist course for you even if you have done the QCI level 1 course. All right. And again for the yoga therapist course, you can do the yoga therapist even if you have done the yoga wellness instructor course from New Age Yoga Institute, regardless of whether you have passed the exam or not passed the exam, but you should have completed the course. I don't think anyone is there who has not. Some people maybe there who have passed the examination, but they can also do the yoga therapist course from the New Age Yoga Institute. Okay. Now, the third is about yoga consultant. New Age Yoga is not conducting the yoga consultant course as of now. We are not having the yoga consultant. We are not running yoga consultant course. We are running only assistant yoga therapist and yoga therapist courses only. Okay. Now, till now, everything is clear. If any doubt is there, please ask.
What time?
Sorry. Someone is asked something? Okay, fine. So, next we go ahead. The next point is sorry. I think some internal communication is going on. All right. Now, the next is duration and number of hours. Okay. Now, the duration of assistant yoga therapist course is as per the syllabus given by the YCB. The course syllabus is having 400 hours. 400 hours. And yoga therapist is 800 hours. Okay. Now that is quite a big course. However, if you have done the yoga protocol instructor. That means if you are admitted for this course, New Age Yoga Institute has got a different number of hours for this both yoga therapist and yoga assistant yoga therapist courses. Since you have already done the YPI and YWI, you get certain credits from there because you have done those portions in our previous courses. Okay, so what do you get as previous courses and what is the resultant number of hours? I will tell you that. So for assistant yoga therapist, the resultant number of hours is 267. That means you get 133 hours from whatever you have done earlier. From YPI, you get 133 hours, and resultant you need to do 267 hours. And for the therapist course, out of the 800 hours, you get a credit of 200 hours of whatever you have done earlier, and resultant you get 600 hours. Okay. Isn't Lalita there? Lalita is there?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
sir.
she's there. I saw her.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, she asked the question, now I just observed that. ठीक है. So this is clear with you? Number of hours is clear. So as assistant yoga therapist, you will do resultant 267 hours, and as a YWI for yoga therapist, you will do resultant 600 hours. तो 600 hours का कोर्स होगा. ओके, नाउ अभी ये जो रिजल्टेंट 267 आवर्स है और 600 आवर्स है, वो कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ जाएगा? आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दैट. प्लीज पे अटेंशन. फॉर द असिस्टेंट योगा थेरेपिस्ट, out of the 267 hours resultant hours, 120 hours are teacher led hours. Teacher led hours मतलब there will be classroom sessions. You have to attend those sessions, 120 hours. And mind you, therapy courses में attendance will be very much essential. अपने YPI, YWI जैसे बीच में नहीं किया तो चल जाता है, ऐसा नहीं होगा, because things will be new, especially in the anatomy, physiology, therapy वाले जो topics है. If you are missing something, it will be difficult to catch up. So it is better that you attend all the sessions. This is my advice to you. So 120 hours is teacher led. Then for those teacher led 120 hours, 30 hours is self study. So self study मतलब अभी anatomy, physiology Jasmine ma'am will be taking or someone else will be taking, or and there will be some, but you need to study on your own. Homework थोड़ा सा आपको करना पड़ेगा. So that is only 30 hours. So one for each 4 hours. अगर आपने 2 घंटे का क्लास किया तो घर में आपको आधा घंटा तो एटलीस्ट मिनिमम रिवीजन करना पड़ेगा. That much is required. That is self study. Padhai. Then there is case study. Case study is 25 hours. So case study is, we will give you the number of which patients you need to take up, but this is case study for some simple diseases. This is, I'm talking about assistant yoga therapist. So these patients, for these patients, you will take up those patients and you are actually going to administer the therapy program for them. You will take guidance from the yoga therapist teachers and our faculty also, and you will go and cure them, or you will go and administer the program with them. तो डायबिटीज वाला है तो उनको आपको डायबिटीज का प्रोग्राम कराना है. And there, since it is a case study, there will be some you will need to take some data, you will need to note down some data. So it will be a proper case study which you will have to do, and you will have to submit it at the end of the course. Okay. Then 50 hours is patient data collection. As I told you, assistant yoga therapist is more on the field and they are administering the program which is made by the therapist. So they will be in touch with the patients, and with every patient in this course, again you are going to learn many things like how to measure BP, how to what other, yeah, how to measure the pulse, etc. And so many other things are there. I will just take the basic physical and clinical examination of blood pressure, pulse rate, respiratory rate, weight, temperature, height, BMR, etc. So all these things are there, and maybe in some cases there may be some extra things also which we may teach you. So you have to take these this data from the patients, and since you need to be, since you are going to be certified, you need to do this for a number of people. So the number of hours which you need to spend on this is 50 hours, and we'll give you some guidelines on how many patients data you need to be collecting. Okay, and where you are going to get these patients from, that also we will be guiding you in. Then the third is internship with doctor. 40 hours internship with doctor. Now you may be wondering कि कौन से doctor के पास जाए. So you can have your own GPs, general practitioners, or we will be guiding you with some charitable hospitals, or there can be some known clinics. Okay, so anywhere where you get a chance to get attached, 40 hours you have to spend. Since the duration of the course is 5 months, maybe from second month onwards you will be doing this. So 10 hours every month. तो आपको हफ्ते में एटलीस्ट 3-4 घंटा कोई क्लिनिक में किसी डॉक्टर के पास जाके बैठना है. Whether you do it half an hour daily or 1 hour 3 days in a week or something like that, whatever you can manage, you have to do that and sit there. Now the intention is you are now going to be assistant yoga therapist. So you need to know the environment, you need to know the language, you need to know the jargon, you have to get used to that setup of a clinic, medical clinic. Okay. So without that, you government cannot tell you that you are a certified assistant therapist. Okay. So all this breakup, though it is not given in detail in the syllabus, this is something which our academic committee, ourselves, and our doctors, we have derived at. Okay. So this is entirely for the assistant therapist course. Assistant therapist course is a 5 months course. Now I am coming to the yoga therapist course. Yoga therapist course mein, it's a 10 months course. As I told you, the net hours of course is 600 hours. 600 घंटे का net hours है. उसमें 300 hours is teacher led. 300 hours is teacher led. Now if you want to get a sense of how much time or how many hours it is going to be in terms of months and all, तो आप सोच सकते कि normally अपने YPI में 130 hours होता है teacher led, YWI में भी 130 होता है. तो दोनों मिला के plus a little more extra, that is the number of hours which you are going to spend in front of the teacher. Okay. So I'll be elaborating on the syllabus also a little bit at the end of it. This my first prelude. So 300 hours of teacher led. There is going to be a self study of 100 hours for a yoga therapy student. There is more study involved because anatomy physiology भी है, आपको effects of the Hatha practices on the physiotherapy भी है, therapeutic skills भी है, और आपको even the fundamental principles of therapy in our classical texts like Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Bhagavad Gita and Yoga Vasishta, ये तीनों का है आपको. तो and these three texts के, जैसे पतंजलि योग सूत्र का जो कैवल्य पाद है और जो आपका विभूति पाद है, उसमें से ज्यादा होगा जो आपने अभी तक कभी भी पढ़ा नहीं है और जिसमें सिद्धि सब दिए गए हैं, या भगवत गीता के सम स्पेसिफिक श्लोक होंगे, या योग वशिष्ठ का थोड़ा सा डिटेल होगा रिलेटेड टू द थेरेपी. सो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर. इफेक्ट्स ऑफ हठ योग इन फ्रॉम फिजियोलॉजी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू वो भी होगा. Therapeutic skills, number of diseases in the yoga therapy for yoga therapist course is almost about 45 to 50 diseases. असिस्टेंट योगा थेरेपिस्ट के लिए लगभग 20 के करीब होंगे डिजीजेस वी आर गोइंग टू टेक एंड yeah, so that is self study 100 hours. Then case study in the yoga therapist category is 100 hours, which means you have to take up at least 8 to 10 case studies during the course. 8-9 महीने में आपको 8 से 10 case studies आपको लेनी पड़ेगी. And those case studies I'm forgetting whether it's 8 to 10 or whether it is 5. Sir, रमन जी आप मुझे थोड़ा करेक्ट करेंगे इसमें कितने हमने डिसाइड किया है?
थेरेपिस्ट के लिए ज्यादा किए थे, 10 किए थे.
10 है. Well, I will just refer back. It could be 10, it could be 8 or 5.
8 to 10 थे उसके.
Yeah, whatever is the
we had
number.
decided it will be on respective system का होना चाहिए केस.
हाँ, रिस्पेक्टिव सिस्टम का केस मतलब एक जो आपका पेशेंट होगा वो मस्कुलोस्केलेटल वाला, डाइजेस्टिव वाला, रेस्पिरेटरी वाला, ऐसे आपको केस एक लेना पड़ेगा. ओके, सिस्टम वाइज. एंड internship with doctors of 100 hours that is required. 100 hours of internship throughout. So 100 hours matlab at least for 6-7 months if you are doing, then for 6-7 months it could be once in alternate 1 hour alternate day. 1 hour alternate day आपको जाना है, डॉक्टर के यहाँ बैठना है. So that is going to be the requirement. So that will complete the 600 hours. 200 hours already you have done, and that will enable you to become the yoga therapist. Now let me tell you, and you must have got some experience also, okay, in all these things, whenever you are doing a course from New Age Yoga Institute, passing the exam is not a very big thing. Always it is the completion of the course which is more important. Completion of the course properly is itself a big achievement rather than passing the examination. So the focus is going to be more on that. Okay, now is there any question on this? If not, then I will go a little bit onto the syllabus.
हेलो सर, हीना हियर. गुड मॉर्निंग.
Yes, Hina, good morning. नमो नमः. बोलिए.
नमो नमः. अच्छा, ये डॉक्टर्स के वहाँ जो भी 100 आवर्स होगा या जितने भी आवर्स हैं दोनों कोर्सेज में,
Yeah.
तो उनमें एक्चुअली वहाँ पे बैठना है, लेकिन फिर योगा कैसे अप्लाई करना है, उसमें क्या है?
See, you will have to have a word with the doctor. You will have to have a word with the doctor, and you will have to tell them that either you are going to discuss with the patients what are his symptoms, and also you can suggest to them certain techniques. Okay, some simple techniques you will have to suggest to them which you can.
Okay.
Yeah, and ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वो जब भी पेशेंट डॉक्टर के पास आएगा तभी आपको उसको मिलेंगे और आप उसका फॉलोअप भी ले सकते हैं. एंड फ्रॉम बिकॉज डॉक्टर इज क्यूरिंग हिम फ्रॉम हिज पथी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, एलोपैथी हो, आयुर्वेदिक हो. इफ यू गेट आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर तो ऑल द मोर बेटर.
Okay.
Okay, so the idea is to understand from a clinical point of view कि वहाँ पे डॉक्टर क्या सजेस्ट कर रहा है, and how you are going to be able to assist the doctor from yoga point of view.
Okay.
Okay, it could be that आप सिर्फ उसको अनुलोम विलोम सजेस्ट करेंगे या सिर्फ योग निद्रा सजेस्ट करेंगे, सिर्फ so it is not that you have to test your knowledge of techniques. बहुत सारा कुछ उनको समझ आना ऐसा नहीं है, बट जो डॉक्टर बोल रहा है उसके साथ साथ आपको क्या आप उसको करा सकते हैं, एंड दैट विल हेल्प द डॉक्टर्स ट्रीटमेंट आल्सो. इट इज फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, एंड आल्सो फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ व्हाट द डॉक्टर हैज सजेस्टेड. ये भी जरूरी है.
बराबर.
some medication, what the medicine doctor has given, doctor will not be able to spend time with you, mind you. वो नहीं टाइम दे पाएंगे, लेकिन ये आपको थोड़ा एक डिस्कशन विद द पेशेंट करके कर सकते हैं. डॉक्टर के बाहर क्लिनिक के बाहर लोग बैठते हैं, अभी डॉक्टर की परमिशन से पहले भी आप उनके साथ में बात करके ये सब करा सकते हैं.
करेक्ट.
करेक्ट।
तो जो केस स्टडीज हमें होगा उसका डिटेल्ड हमें सब रिपोर्ट होना चाहिए, बट
वो
ये
डिटेल है ये
हाँ
ये
ये
इसका कोई
जस्ट जनरल।
या
हाँ
जनरल है, करेक्ट करेक्ट, ये इसका रिपोर्ट नहीं होगा। But
ओके
you can just mention, you can give a short report of which doctor you have gone, how many hours you have gone. ये सब हम लोग
एंड
as a report ले लेंगे.
अच्छा, एंड वी नीड द सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम द डॉक्टर आल्सो दैट वी हैव
Yes,
स्पेंट दिस
we have
मच
spent.
टाइम।
Correct, correct. You are right. We'll require that.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू।
ठीक है. So अभी let us go to the syllabus. You have been sent the syllabus for assistant yoga therapist. पहले देख लेते हैं. तो असिस्टेंट योगा थेरेपिस्ट में मैं देखता हूं कि बहुत सारा कुछ हमने ऑलरेडी योगा प्रोटोकॉल इंस्ट्रक्टर में कवर कर लिया हुआ है. सो कंसेप्ट ऑफ योगा, देन हठ योग प्रैक्टिसेस, सिग्निफिकेंस, ये सब आपको पता है. गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल्स, हाँ, गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल्स टू बी फॉलोड बाय yoga therapy assistant role and responsibilities. These are some new things which we are going to learn. Knowledge of vital parameters, this is something new which you are going to learn, although these are some basic things like blood pressure measurement, respiratory rate, pulse rate, body temperature, but you need to understand this. Also knowledge of use of props like ropes, belts, cushions, special aids, that will be known, because these people will need support, and you will need to give this support in form of these props also. तो ये भी knowledge आपको props का होना जरूरी है in when it comes to the patients. Okay. Okay, then what is important in this is okay, then there is some basic knowledge of पतंजलि योग सूत्र, हठ प्रदीपिका, गैरंडा संहिता, जो आप ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं, उसमें ज्यादा नहीं करने का है. कर्म योग, भक्ति योग आप कर चुके हैं, योगा प्रोटोकॉल. If required, any more knowledge is required, we will have that in your syllabus, in your teaching. क्लेश, चित्त वृत्ति, ये सब आपने किया हुआ है. अष्टांग योग, what it is, its therapeutic importance we will teach, and Hatha Yoga principles and Hatha Yoga practices in view of therapy. This is a big topic. This I will explain to you now. Anatomy, physiology, तीनों कोर्स में अगर आप देखेंगे कि there is a requirement that contact program for 100 hours minimum needs to be done on anatomy and physiology. Okay, तो अभी while designing the course we were in a little puzzle के same anatomy course yoga protocol instructor को भी है, जो जिसने सिर्फ 1 level किया है, same उसको wellness को भी कराने का है, same yoga consultant को भी कराने का है. It doesn't make sense. So what we have done is to be in line with the syllabus requirements of YCB, and also to give additional knowledge to the YPI, yoga protocol instructors. What we are doing is there is 100 hours of anatomy physiology detailed to be taught to the yoga therapy students, but that is broken up into 2 parts. So there is going to be about 40 to 45 hours, common hours of anatomy physiology on every system. तो सारे जो 9 systems है उनको मिला के about 40-45 hours are there. That is going to be more than whatever you have learned in wellness course as well as in YPI course, little more than that. So that is going to be done as a common. So for wellness people also they have to do, because that is going to be a revision, and that is going to be, you have to be now very much well versed with it. Okay, I see that even after doing the wellness course, many people are little afraid about the anatomy physiology. थोड़ा जो नॉन साइंस बैकग्राउंड के लोग हैं उनको एनाटॉमी फिजियोलॉजी से थोड़ा सा डर लगता है. सो दिस इज टू बिकम मोर कॉन्फिडेंट, द फर्स्ट इनिशियल 40-45 hours of anatomy physiology, which is going to be taken by Dr. Jasmine. There may be some other teacher also, but Jasmine surely. So this is a common hours. Then there is effects of yoga techniques on the physiology. तो उसमें starting from शुद्धि क्रिया to शुद्धि क्रिया is there, आसन, शुद्धि क्रिया, सूक्ष्म व्यायाम, आसन, प्राणायाम, मुद्रा, बंधा and ध्यान. In these different techniques, what exactly is the impact of these techniques on the physiology of human body? This is what you are going to learn. Though you have learned a little bit about it in form of benefits, this is going to be a little more advanced, and that is going to be done, 23 hours of that is going to be done commonly between the yoga protocol instructor and yoga wellness instructor students. So initially this is going to be taken up by one teacher, Dr. Deepak Bagadia from Somaya Institute. He is going to take this part. Okay, तो ये हो गया आपका 40-45 plus 23 hours are there, and at the end of the common hours you are also going to do the yoga therapeutic skills, which is not given in your syllabus very surprisingly, but we are going to do this extra for YPI people because it is required as a yoga assistant therapist ho to bhi aapko therapeutic skills of some diseases you have to have. So some common diseases like, I'll tell you, some common diseases like back pain, neck pain, asthma, hypertension, migraine, hyperacidity, or menstrual disorder, or diabetes, thyroid. These are some common diseases which we will take, and this will be taken for both the YPI as well as YWI students together, and that will be close to, 1 second. That will be also close to about 20 to 25 hours. Okay, so that way you are going to complete the 100 hours, and some part of the yoga anatomy you have already done in your regular course, so that we are taking the credits. क्योंकि आपने YPI फर्स्ट लेवल में भी 8-10 घंटे तो ऑलरेडी किए हुए हैं, प्लस सेल्फ स्टडी किया हुआ है, वी आर काउंटिंग दैट, एंड टोटली इट मेक्स 100 hours of anatomy physiology which you are required to do at your level. Okay, ये क्लियर है क्या? Okay, so as a YPIs also you are learning quite a lot, and then there are some in the syllabus there are what is required is Ahar, Vihar, Achar, Vichar, which you have done. Then some basic principles of Ayurveda and naturopathy, which you will be doing together with the YWI. Then Tridosha, Tridhatu, Mala, this you have done. Importance of diet you have done. Dinacharya, Ritucharya, Lalita has already done with you. Okay, so these, and if you go to the practical aspect, then Neti, Dhauti, some of the things which you have not done like Tratak, Agnisar, Shankha Prakshalan, you will be taught separately. Then Sukshma Vayam you have done, there will not be any extra training on that. Some asanas which you have not done will be training to you. Then pranayams, some of them which you have not done at a YPI level like Ujjayi, Bhastrika, Sitkari, that will be taught. Some of the bandhas like Yoga Mudra, Mahamudra, Shanmukhi, these will be taught. Okay, then practices leading to meditation mein Antar Maun is going to be taught, which is not done at your Ajapa Dharana, is not done at level 1. I think it is done in level 1, Ajapa. So हम किया हुआ है. Nita, you have done Ajapa, right? In level 1 in YPI course. Ajapa,
Yes, Soham, na? Yeah.
Soham is done.
yes. So that is done. So only Antar Maun will be done new. And there are after that there are some communication and maintenance skills which you need to learn. So apart from the 80-85 hours common hours with the YWI people, extra 35 to 40 hours you will be doing for completing the assistant therapist hours. Okay, and so that will complete your course in about 4 to 5 months for yoga, for assistant yoga therapist. Okay, any questions on so far whatever we have done for assistant yoga therapist? I think there are some candidates of that, like I have Balkrishna over here, then I can see Jasmina, and some more people may be joining in later on. Bhagyashri is there, yes, Bhagyashri is also there in that. Bhumika will be doing she's already done a level 2 course. Okay, so that is what is the assistant yoga therapist syllabus. Now coming to the yoga therapist syllabus. तो योगा थेरेपिस्ट सिलेबस में, as I told you, total number of hours is 300. तो उसमें whatever we have completed till now, मतलब common hours with yoga protocol instructor, 40-45 hours of anatomy physiology, 23 hours of your effects of Hatha Yoga practices on your physiology, and some of the therapeutic skills. Together about 80-85 hours you are going to do with the YPI students. After that, what you're going to do is the deeper aspects of anatomy physiology. In the deeper aspect of anatomy physiology, you have histologies, which is very important and which none of us are knowing much about. Histology, mechanism of muscles control, then lymphatic systems a little more in detail, innervation of heart, then cardiac outputs, histology in the respiratory system. So all these things in the digestive system, also mechanism of saliva secretion, which is so important, but at level 1 it is not required, or it may not be apt. So at level 2 it has to be done. So the composition of gastric juices, pancreatic juices, bile, intestinal secretions, all these things. So digestion process, which you have not learned. You've learned mostly the physiology and the anatomy of digestive system. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का कैसे एब्जॉर्प्शन करता है उतना पता है, लेकिन आपको आगे की जो चीजें हैं वो पता नहीं है, जैसे पैनक्रियाटिक जूस का एग्जैक्ट एक्शन कैसा होता है, इंटेस्टिनल सिक्रीशंस का एग्जैक्ट एक्शन क्या होता है, all these things, how it is helping in digestion, that you have not learned. So that will be done. Excretory system का the kidney के बारे में ज्यादा जानकारी है, composition of urine, then function of glomerules, renal tubules, all these things. Endocrinal में the histology is so important because it is related to the endocrine glands and hormones. So hormones का structuring थोड़ा वो होगा. Then I think endocrinal system, the advanced study is going to be very important because yoga में endocrinal का रोल बहुत ज्यादा होता है. हमेशा हम लोग बोलते रहते हैं कि नर्वस सिस्टम एंड एंडोक्रिनल सिस्टम इंपॉर्टेंट है, लेकिन किस तरह से इंपॉर्टेंट है, व्हाट आर दोज हार्मोन्स, व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली देयर एक्शन ऑन द बॉडी, all these things are going to be done in the higher level. Hyperactivity and hypoactivity of the hormones and their effects on the body. Pituitary glands का आपके बहुत सारी चीजों के ऊपर इफेक्ट होता है जो हम लोग ने ब्रॉडली देखा है, लेकिन मोर इन डिटेल इन योर yoga therapist level. So all these things are going to be important. Role of insulin in the glucose metabolism. Okay. Special senses में you have done the 5 senses in level 2. Level 1 में भी मेरे ख्याल से कुछ लोगों ने किया होगा. Level 1 में 5 senses किया हुआ है. कुछ लोग अभी के करंट वाले बैचेस में शायद नहीं किया हुआ है, बट वो 5 सेंसेस का बेसिक लेवल में तो बेसिक करेंगे, लेकिन मोर इन डिटेल, मोर एडवांस्ड अबाउट द आई, ईयर, टंग, तो स्किन लेयर्स ऑफ नंबर ऑफ लेयर्स इन द स्किन, ये सब एडिशनल लेवल, सेकेंड लेवल में अपना थेरेपिस्ट लेवल में करेंगे हम लोग. फंक्शन ऑफ द सेमी सर्कुलर कनाल इन टर्म्स ऑफ बैलेंसिंग एंड ऑल्सो हियरिंग, उसके बारे में ज्यादा जानकारी. Then reproductive system, the reproductive system में advanced level menstruation, pregnancy, then parturition, lactation के बारे में जानकारी. All these things will be done in the advanced level only. Nervous system में as such basic brain, spine, parts of the brain, ये सब level basic system में हम लोग करेंगे ही करेंगे. Nerve structure भी basic system में करेंगे, but more about the reflexes, more about the individual brain part के functions, cerebrum, pons, medulla, etc. बहुत काफी डिटेल में जाने के चांसेस है नर्वस सिस्टम में, because that is also important from our class में, that is important from our second level, higher level case. Okay, then homeostasis is done at a very basic level, but a little more in detail is going to be done homeostasis at your advanced level. Then one important section for the advanced, yeah.
सर सर आई एम श्रुति।
Yes, Shruti.
यस सर, मैंने कॉमर्स लिया है तो सर उसके लिए साइंस लेने की जरूरत पड़ती है, मतलब योगा के लिए।
श्रुति, आपके लिए ये बेसिक असिस्टेंट योगा थेरेपिस्ट भी कोर्स करने के लिए योगा प्रोटोकॉल इंस्ट्रक्टर करना, बेसिक कोर्स करना तो जरूरी है, एटलीस्ट वन।
ओके ओके ओके
वो आपको ऑनलाइन में भी कर सकते हैं, आप अहमदाबाद से भी कर सकते हैं।
ओके
ओके, तो मैं आपका एक काम करो, आप इधर नंबर अपना इधर यहाँ पे डाल दो चैट में, तो मैं बोलता हूँ किसी को आपको फोन करेगा, कोई एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर तुम्हारे फोन कर लेंगे।
ओके हाँ, थैंक यू
So
सर।
that is the second level जो है, अब I was coming to the B part of the anatomy and physiology. वहाँ पे cognitive processes, higher mental processes, feeling and emotion, mental abilities, all this is going to be done in the second level. Modern psychology related things are going to be done in the second level, and the consciousness as explained in the Vedas, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, Yoga Sutra, or approach of all these things, and the scientific approach to the consciousness, all these things have to be done at the second level only. Okay, because that is not there for the first level. काय म्हणाले? हाँ.
फोन करायला सांगितलं.
अच्छा. Okay. Then एक डाइट का भी टॉपिक है. So basic diet, so you have done with Lalita, but there are more advanced things which are going to be done over here, which is the from nutrition point of view, we will get some dietitian to do, I think 6 to 7 hours we are given over here. So basically the composition of food, protein, carbohydrates, fats, etc., the nutrition composition, and the therapeutic modification for a normal diet and for special group of students, special groups like some basic diseases will take up, and we will talk about the diets to these special groups in the yoga and diet. Okay. Then that finishes the anatomy physiology part. Then comes the fundamental principles. Fundamental principles में you will be learning about the Ayurveda, naturopathy and Siddha system a little bit in थोड़ा introductory होगा उसमें, पूरा डिटेल में नहीं होगा, but we will know the introductory approach of Ayurveda, naturopathy and Siddha systems. Then from yoga, from the Patanjali Yoga Sutra point of view, more in detail, Heyam Dukkham Anagatam, the concepts of it, the basic concept of Heyam, Heya Hetu Hanupay जो है उसका concepts, and then Ahar Vihar Achar Vichar तो आपने किया हुआ है. Okay, then there is a topic on Karma Shuddhi, Ghata Shuddhi, Snayu Shuddhi, Prana Shuddhi, that will be taken up. Then from Bhagavad Gita, Patanjali Yoga Sutra and Yoga Vasishtha, as I told you, whatever are the advanced things, like in Bhagavad Gita, the concept of Paramatma, concept of world, the psychotherapy concept of Bhagavad Gita, or depression, anxiety के लिए क्या है, significance of yoga sadhana, so all these things are going to be dealt with in more detail in the application of yoga therapy in traditional texts. There are 20, I think there are 24 hours given to this whole thing. So you can say 8 hours to Bhagavad Gita, 8 hours to Patanjali Yoga Sutra and Yoga Vasishtha. In Patanjali Yoga Sutra, there is beyond whatever you have learned, beyond whatever you have learned from Ashtanga Yoga onwards, आगे संयम है, फिर then परिणामत्रय मतलब क्या है, Parachitta Jnana, Antardhyan. Then these are all siddhis which you will learn. Then Sanyam on Maitri, Surya, Chandra, Nabhi Chakra से क्या इफेक्ट होता है. So specific meditations करने के लिए आपको क्या करना, सजेस्ट करने के लिए आपको किस क्या नॉलेज चाहिए वो ज्ञान यहाँ पे होगा. And of course you may not be able to suggest all this to your students, but you should have knowledge of that. So Akash Gaman, Bhuta Jaya, Animadi Siddhi, Indriya Jaya, ये सब concepts है. Kaya Jaya, ये concepts है. ये क्या है आपको पता होना चाहिए. At least for your own sadhana you can learn. Reaching that stage is very difficult, but you should have the knowledge of it. You should know how to progress your sadhanas. और फिर योगा वशिष्ठ है. योगा वशिष्ठ में the basic yoga vashishta text and the prana pranayam related understanding of the adi vyadhis, then samadhi moksha, self inquiry, development of the sattva guna, 8 limbs of meditation, ये सब concepts हम लोग yoga vashishta में करेंगे. Then coming to the next unit, which is physiological and psychological effects of Hatha Yoga practices, which Dr. Bagadia will be taking. Now here common topics हम लोग YPI के साथ में कर ही रहे हैं. Like जैसे अभी हमने assistant yoga therapist combined जो है, तो उसमें हम लोग बेसिक चीजें तो हम लोग सूक्ष्म व्यायाम और षटक्रिया के कर ही रहे हैं, लेकिन द एडिशनल कंसेप्ट्स ऑफ इफेक्ट्स ऑफ क्रिया ऑन द GI tract, respiratory physiology, so that breakup has been already done. The role of different sphincters, शंख प्रक्षालन में हम लोग करते थे भी sphincters का role of kriyas in smooth operation of the sphincter. ये थोड़ा एडवांस जो कंसेप्ट है वो हम लोग लेवल अपना थेरेपिस्ट लेवल में करेंगे. आसन के रिलेटेड बेसिक तो हम लोग कर ही लेंगे अप टू द लेवल ऑफ आइसोमेट्रिक आइसोटोनिक कंसेप्ट, ये हम लोग बेसिक में कर लेंगे. इंटरनल एनवायरनमेंट कैसे सेट करना है बॉडी का वो कर लेंगे. लेकिन देयर मे बी सम एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स लाइक रिलेटेड टू asana which we'll be doing in the level 2, which is psychosomatic mechanism of influence of 6 type of asana, like stretching, pivoting, strengthening, inverted, pressing, equilibration. These are little new concepts which we will be learning in the asana as a theory. Effect of all this on the physiology of the body. प्राणायाम का फिजियोलॉजी के ऊपर इफेक्ट क्या है ये सीखेंगे. मेडिटेशन का डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मेडिटेशन एंड देयर इफेक्ट्स ऑन द फिजियोलॉजी ऑफ द बॉडी. मुद्रा बंध का इफेक्ट्स ऑन द फिजियोलॉजी ऑफ द बॉडी. लाइक तीनों बंध है उसका आपका जॉइंट कॉम्प्लेक्सेस के ऊपर कैसे इफेक्ट होता है. मुद्रास, we will try to include some hasta mudras in this section which are going to help from the therapeutic point of view. Interesting things are secretion of neurotransmitters when you are doing mudras. Role of mudra करें तो ये पता होना चाहिए कि आप मुद्रा करते तभी what neurotransmitters are secreted and that is helping us in the prana circulation. Okay, so that is the important part in yoga therapy. Next, going to the practicals. Practicals mein to be very frank, we have done most of the practicals in the over here, but whatever you have not done we will be covering over here. Shirshasana variations etc we'll be doing over here. Some asanas, difficult asanas like kurmasana, kukutasana, we will try to take up to whatever each one's ability. We will try to take up these pranayams you have done. Yogic counseling के ऊपर there will be some hours in a little more detail. Yogic method of tackling ill effects of conflict and frustration. Yoga psychology for adjustment. Okay, so all in all these are the techniques we should be knowing. Techniques wise I think we are quite ऑलरेडी नोइंग, काफी पहले से अपने को पता है, उसमें कोई ज्यादा चेंज नहीं होने वाला है. बट थेरेपेटिक स्किल्स, नाउ हियर इज वेयर, सॉरी, योर वॉइस इज म्यूट संध्या, you are mute.
technique like Kukutasana or other advanced postures, yeah, probably may not be useful from therapy point of view, because as a patient he may not be able to do. But teacher, if she is aware of the techniques, she'll know what to be adopted from those and guide the student.
Okay. Then the therapeutic skills में मतलब जैसा मैंने पहले बताया कि अगर आपने मस्कुलोस्केलेटल लिया तो बैक पेन, नेक पेन, ये सब बेसिक लेवल पे किया, बट फाइब्रोमायल्जिया, मस्कुलर डायस्ट्रोफी, ये सारे थोड़े एडवांस लेवल भी के डिजीजेस भी आपको यहाँ पे कवर होंगे. फिर रेस्पिरेटरी में एडवांस लेवल के राइनाइटिस, स्लीप एपनिया और एलर्जेटिक राइनाइटिस, ये सब आपको एडवांस लेवल में होगा. कार्डियोवेस्कुलर में एंजाइना पेक्टोरिस, मायोकार्डियल इंफार्क्शन, ये all these will be taken only at the end, at just advanced level. Hearing impairment, neurological disorders, epilepsy, advanced level, cerebrovascular accidents. So there will be a good number of hours for the therapeutic skills for the advanced level. Okay. And one more important thing, acha, in the therapeutic skills for advanced level, there are going to be special hours meant for geriatrics or old age people, like spinal deformity, loss of coordination, imbalance, improper gait pattern, etc. All these things के लिए हम लोग special hours रखने वाले हैं. Last section of the therapeutic skills is the assessment skills. ये बहुत मेरे हिसाब से important है, because apart from the basic things like weight, stature, eye height, body mass index, BMI, shoulder height, elbow height, ये सब जानना बहुत जरूरी है. As therapeutic skills, these are some technicalities which you need to understand. Waist circumference, hip circumference, waist to hip ratio, इसके बारे में knowledge होना बहुत जरूरी है. And then there will be clinical examination, heart rate, pulse rate तो कर ही लिया वैसे आपने, लेकिन EEG, ECG, GSR, ये सारा कैसे रीड करना है. More you will be focusing on how to read these reports, reading the report of MRI, X-ray, reading the report, what do you mean by change of blood pressure. Okay, all these things are going to be understood, and from the physiotherapist point of view, a little knowledge of COG, LOG, BOS, etc. जो center of gravity and related things are जो है वो आपको इसमें करने को, सीखने को मिलेगा. Okay, so that again is a very advanced, मतलब good number of hours, about 25-30 hours, as I remember, is there for this. So that completes the syllabus of both the yoga therapist and yoga assistant yoga therapist. Okay, then
Sir, we will also be from yoga perspective. Sir,
yeah, please carry on.
From yoga perspective, we are also going to help them analyze Triguna, Tridosha.
Yes. Yeah.
Because they are ultimately, since we are teaching yoga and practicing that,
Yes.
Analyzing a person in yoga parameters, that will
Yes.
also be very important.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. So अभी तक हमने जो बात किया उसमें कोई questions है?
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, will there be any offline sessions also for practical?
We can call you for offline sessions, not many, but we will call you. And regarding the this thing also, we have not decided anything abhi tak, whether we are going to have any hours of residential. One thought
sir,
is there, but we have not decided. Yes, Bhairavi.
Sir, if we are not there, suppose if I'm traveling, so you said the course is for 10 months. Suppose
Yes.
I'm out of India for 4-5 months. So now in that case, if I'm traveling in August, I will not be there till Jan or Feb. तो एग्जाम वगैरह का कैसा रहेगा सर?
See, since this is a long course and we have not yet decided whether the exams are going to be offline or online as of now, because इसका examinations के बारे में अभी तक कोई चर्चा भी चालू हुई नहीं है at even the YCB levels. So we don't know really what is going to be the examination patterns. But as per their whatever they have given in the syllabus, the examination is going to be exactly the same way. Theory का basic principles में कितना marks है, therapy में कितना marks है, ये सब दिया हुआ है. 60 assistant yoga therapy में 60-140 is the same breakup, and in the therapist there is 100-100. That means less in the practicals, more in the theory. 100 marks for theory, 100 marks for practical. So I guess online exam should be possible, should not be difficult.
Okay.
Sir, for yoga therapist and assistant yoga therapist, so you have said 2 to 4. Is it for both or which one?
I'm telling you, I'll tell you. I'm coming to that timetable part now. That will make it more clear. No more questions on whatever we have done till now on syllabus, right?
Sir, I have a question. Hina here.
Yes, Hina. Hina, yes, tell.
About the therapeutic skills of advanced diseases, some neurological and others which we have not done. So about all the notes and everything will be therapeutic program direct ready-made will be given, or how it will be done?
See, as far as the basic skills are required at assistant yoga therapist, our mostly we will be using our therapy book only. But for the advanced one, there will be extra notes. There will be extra notes, and we will try to, whoever is going to come, the faculty, we will try to take notes from him, or we will try to feed. But it is, do not expect too much of spoon feeding at that level. Of course, we will give you enough knowledge from yoga therapeutic point of view, but we will try to follow the same pattern as we have followed for disease to yogis kind of similar kind of, because
so basically basically the detailed knowledge about information about the disease will be given, so we can plan our own therapy program.
Yes, you can, but the therapy program, as we have decided, as we took up in the Y2D, that is going to be taken in the second level of book. We are going to start the study of that also soon. So in that we will try to take up whatever the extra diseases are given in this book itself, because that makes more sense. So anyway, there is going to be some research which will be done on this by the group of teachers. Abhi volume 2 ka bhi kaam shuru hoga na. So by the time we reach this second level yoga therapeutic skills for advanced level, that is yoga therapist level, will come somewhere around, I'll tell you, from it is coming in July to August. July end and August. So by that time we will have a lot of information about it, and of course whoever is the person from yoga fraternity or from medical fraternity, they will be definitely adding more value to this.
Okay.
Now coming to the timetable and the timings. Okay. As you all know that we have decided to keep the timings for these classes at present, both the batches, between 2 to 4 in the afternoon, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. in the afternoon, Monday to Friday. So all days, Monday to Friday, 2 to 4 will be for this classes, every day 2 hours. Now for the common syllabus, what we have thought is from about जैसे अपना 14 दिसंबर को कोर्स शुरू हो रहा है, 14 December, of course there is a 2 days holidays in between. We are all going to Alibag. You know that. So 16, 17, there will be no class. 16, 17 or 17, 18 and something like 17, 18, I think. So 14th up to 9th February. So that will be the anatomy, physiology plus effects of hot yoga techniques. Jasmine madam and Deepak sir, unka common hoga. And then therapeutic skills ka after 10th February up for about 2 weeks we will be taking the therapeutic skills. So the common program will end by end of February, almost end of February or maybe before that. Common program. After that, the assistant yoga therapist, you have about 40 hours, for 35 to 40 hours that we will be doing in 1 month's time, 1 month or maybe a little more than that. So that will finish in by March and April, mid-April, March end or mid-April. Okay, that will be finishing the course, and we can plan the exams after that. But for the yoga therapist, after that, then we are having assessment skills immediately 30 hours up to March. Then up to March end में थोड़ा practicals करेंगे, fundamental principles करेंगे April में, mid-April में traditional text. मतलब all these things will keep on happening. There is a break which we have given from 19 May to 31st May as a people want to go out or anything. That is the timing. 19th May to 31st May. Now we can keep it flexible also if we want to change it by majority view. अगर वो timing change करना है 19 की बजाय 15 to 26 ऐसा करना है तो we can do that. That is in our hands. And then the advanced anatomy etc. starts from June, and advanced physiology, therapeutic skills also in July. That's how the whole thing. Yoga counseling is there in August, and we have kept 1 month for revision from almost 20th August to 19th September. By end of September, the course will finish. October is likely the examination. Is likely to be the exam. This is a rough timetable which we have drawn. Okay. Now this part is clear. Okay. Now as far as the fees is concerned, the fees for the basic fees for this course for assistant yoga therapist 15,000, and basic fees for the yoga therapist is 30,000. But we will be procuring the books which are suggested for this, and I have kept 3,000 separately for these books, that because we are going to provide you these books. So कुछ books आपके पास अगर already है, so that will reduce your fees also. Like MM Gore, तो most of you are having Bhalekar extensively we will be using. If you are having Bhalekar book, you will be extensively using for the anatomy, physiology. There is another book by Dr. Satish Pathak, which is also a very good book. There is a second book by Dr. Satish Pathak. We will be giving you that, and if required, there are two small books. One is the Vedic Physiology and Anatomy by Dr. Vajay. This is also Kaivalyadham publication, and Notes on Structure and Functions of Human Body, that also could be there. Apart from this, if there are any other notes or small books, we will provide that, okay, as a part of the course. Okay. And that 3,000 we have kept it separately. As and when the books are being given, we can collect that money. But the basic is 15 and 30. That is what is the fee structure. And fees can be paid in installments. We don't need all the fees at one time. So for assistant yoga therapist, you can pay in 3 installments. For yoga therapist, you can pay it in 6 installments. Over 6 months, 7 months, whatever is there, you can pay it. You are in mute, Baba. Yeah. So we are also going to give you the Yogis to Disease. So whoever is not having, will have to have that Yogis to Disease book. If you are already having, you need not buy that, because that is a therapeutic skills का book है, तो वो आपको जरूरी है buy करना. For
Sir, it
Yes,
is
sir.
disease to yogis.
Disease to yogis. So sorry. अभी हमारा योगिस टू डिजीज हो गया, बाद में डिजीज टू योगिस करेंगे.
Sir, advanced anatomy who will be teaching in June? June you are
Yeah.
saying, na?
Yeah.
Which teacher will be taking? Jasmine ma'am only?
Yes. Jasmine, or that could be different also. I can't tell you just now. It could be different also. We have two doctors in our team. Dr. Jasmine is there. Another Dr. Vijay is also there. So we could have anyone. As far as
Okay,
the fundamental principles is concerned, our internal academic committee faculty will be teaching about the Bhagavad Gita, Yoga Sutra Advanced, and Yoga Vasishtha Advanced, and also some of the yogic concepts का जो है वो भी हम लोग internally लेंगे. जो therapeutic skills we will, and assessment skills we will take from outside, because that requires a doctor. That will be from outside.
and sir, notes, how the notes will be given, or
Notes-
everything from the books?
Everything from the book. We are not this time, because see, this subject is such that compiled notes will not be useful over here. You need to have the books with you, and you need to refer the books, because क्या होता है कि अभी जैसे आपने भाले कर लिया, आप सिखाते समय भालेकर में से एक आध दो कंसेप्ट अगर टीचर की छूट भी गए या तो आपका ध्यान नहीं रहा, तो भी आपको वो जानना बहुत जरूरी है. सो यू हैव टू हैव दीज बुक्स, एनाटॉमी, फिजियोलॉजी एंड MM गोरे एंड ऑल दिस. तो ये तो आपका ABCD है, वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
Yes, sir. Anatomy and that basic which is required, that has to be done.
Absolutely.
But other topics like yoga, extra yoga sutra के
Yeah,
जो
that
है,
we will
वो-
give. That we will give.
that will be given.
Yeah, that we will give. उसमें से भी अगर if we find some good books, we will try to give it to you.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, because see, इसमें कैसा है, to tell you very frankly, Hina, we don't want to limit ourselves to a compiled notes at this stage, because we are also doing the course for the first time. Okay, so we don't want to restrict ourselves on some compiled notes. There can be notes from different areas, so we'll try to enrich this. Probably in the next batches they may have some advantages in terms of compiled notes in the specific areas. Okay.
Yes.
So, sir, guidance will be given for that how to approach to a doctor. For
Yeah. That we will try to talk to as an institute when we'll be approaching some charitable institutes, some hospitals like.
Some private hospital can also be approached for this.
Yes. We will approach, certainly. We will help you approach that. That will be with. We will guide you in that. So all in all, let me tell you one thing, that since we are doing this course for the first time, Nai's commitment towards this course is quite high. वैसे तो सारे कोर्सेज में नई की कमिटमेंट ज्यादा रहती ही है, बट हु इज दिस लिविंग? मीनल क्या? इज मीनल लिविंग? ओके, सो सारे में रहती है, बट इसमें थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा रहेगा, बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड इट इज अ लिटिल इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप in our journey, and the YCB also will be looking at it very closely. तो थोड़ा सा commitment तो अपना रहेगा इसमें.
And sir, एग्जाम्स जैसे आपने बोला कि अभी तक तो उन्होंने सोचा नहीं है कैसे लेंगे, क्या करेंगे, तो नई अगर मुझे ये योगा थेरेपिस्ट करना है, तो यू टोल्ड मी टू आई कैन अप्लाई ऑनलाइन डायरेक्टली फॉर द एग्जाम,
Correct.
not from the NAI.
Yeah, because of the diploma.
Yes.
Yeah.
मतलब नई से तो चलो आप एग्जाम सेट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन बाहर उनका कब एग्जाम होगा वो सब कुछ अभी आइडिया नहीं है.
वो हम लोग कोऑर्डिनेशन करेंगे हिना, because
हाँ.
as soon as in another 5-6 months, I am sure the PRCBs will start conducting examinations for the therapist and yoga assistant therapists also.
Okay, okay.
क्योंकि विजय मडेकर he himself is having the course ना, so
This yoga therapist.
हाँ, तो वो उनको तो होल्ड करना ही है, और वो करेंगे तो मुद्रा से करेंगे ही वो एग्जाम्स.
Okay. So they are only holding exams.
They are holding exams only.
Okay.
वो थेरेपी कोर्सेस थोड़े वो मेरे ख्याल से कुछ, एंड देयर विल बी और एक पॉसिबिलिटी वो भी मैं देखूंगा, जैसे लीडिंग योगा इंस्टीट्यूट्स कैन फ्रॉम अंबिका और फ्रॉम दिस नासिक वाला, if they are holding and they are able to take our students, we will try over there also. और कोई क्वेश्चंस है?
नहीं सर, अभी खाली सोचना है कि आगे क्या करना है.
क्या बोले शिफा? अभी सोचना है.
अभी सोचना है कि इसमें जंप मारे कि नहीं.
Correct. I know. That is why I know it is a commitment. Certainly, it is a commitment, financially also, and from time point of view, है commitment. तो definitely आप सोचो, इसलिए मैंने ये session रखा है कि सोचे, because for this I have made compulsory for all our faculty teachers. रमनजीत सर को कोई चांस नहीं है बाहर जाने का. ललिता, रमनजीत सर, हिमांगी मैडम, इनको तो कंपलसरी करना ही करना है. तो ये कहीं जा नहीं सकते. तो बाकी लोगों के लिए भी ये कमिटमेंट है. तो डेफिनेटली आप सोचो, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अच्छा चांस है, और वापस एक बार चांस निकल गया तो फिर वो योगा थेरेपिस्ट का एटलीस्ट 1 साल के बाद आता है. तो यू लूज सम टाइम इन बिटवीन.
सर इसमें अटेंडेंस कंपलसरी है ना, आपने बोला, मतलब रिकॉर्डेड सेशन नहीं देख
देखो
सकते.
शिफा, ऐसा है कि इस कोर्स का अटेंडेंस कंपलसरी, ये सब सेकेंडरी है, लेकिन इसमें सारे नॉलेज ही इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है ना.
नहीं सर, यानी जैसे क्लास समझो अगर मैं अभी अटेंड नहीं कर पाई तो रिकॉर्डेड सेशन
हाँ,
में
कर
देख
सकते हो आप.
दैट्स व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग.
या रिकॉर्डेड सेशन करो ऑनलाइन, आप एक रिकॉर्ड रखो बाद में. सी, एज फॉर सिंसियर स्टूडेंट नहीं इज ऑलवेज अकोमोडेटिव, यू हैव नोन दैट. लेकिन जो स्टूडेंट्स गलत फायदा ले रहे हैं उनके लिए मैंने आज फटकार भी मारा है. आज आपने ग्रुप में देखा होगा. It's not intentionally but that person, but they have to be aware that you cannot generally put a certified teacher अपने नाम के सामने ऐसे नहीं डाल सकते आप कोई. तो this kind of administrative controls we will need to have. तो अगर कहीं पे लगा कि नहीं जरूरी है आपको अटेंडेंस लेना, या तो we have to get your online attendance, we will ask for it, because ultimately नुकसान आपका ही है, और बाद में बाहर जाके अगर if you are not doing properly, then it's a image of the institute also.
Right sir. And
But
sir, one more thing
वाले
about
जो ये ग्रुप में अभी जो दिख रहे हैं मुझे, ये सब सारे सिंसियर स्टूडेंट्स है. I don't need to talk much about their discipline. Everyone is a very sincere student.
But sir, for one reason, if you're not able to join and we are able to join from Jan, तो क्या हो सकता है, possible है?
We will consider that, Pratibha. I can understand, because all the sessions will be recorded. If you have that commitment of covering up those sessions, we can certainly do it. In December, in any case, we are having some, I think, 1 week holiday. December का वो एक last week का एक off रहता ही है, वो होने वाला है.
Okay.
Hello, sir, and about the hours 2 to 4.
Yeah.
तो पहले जो कॉमन होंगे वो आवर्स सेम टाइम पे होंगे, और बाद में जो भी टाइमिंग सेम रहेगा.
I have not decided that. We will be deciding that. बाद में वाले hours क्या है, because in any case वो separate ही link होगा ना, नहीं का नहीं होगा, दूसरा link होगा, तो we will decide on that.
Okay.
Assistant yoga therapist का we'll try to keep the same, but faculty क्या है वो सब decide करके करना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा, तो later after March, or when we are separating the this classes,
हाँ,
timings may change for the
may
courses.
change for YPI, for the assistant yoga therapist, not for the therapist.
Okay.
और योगा थेरेपिस्ट 2 to 4 ही रहेगा, असिस्टेंट थेरेपिस्ट का 40 आवर 35-40 आवर्स ही है, एक महीने का ही है, तो वी मे हैव अ डिफरेंट टाइमिंग,
Okay.
बट वी विल ट्राई टू कीप द सेम. वी विल टेक द ओपिनियन ऑफ ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर एनरोलिंग देयर आल्सो.
Sir,
या
Amisha here.
हाँ, यस
So
अमीशा. अरे
as you have made it mandatory for all the faculties,
यस,
so what if the faculties are not able to join at that time? Will we have the recorded videos all throughout or not?
you of course you are having recorded videos like just like what you are having YouTube videos are there throughout, but Amisha ऐसा है कि that has to be taken just as a facility and as a emergency facility. It should not be made as a rule. Why? Because especially for faculty, your presence in the group is going to enrich the knowledge of others also. So obviously your presence is required. हाँ, एक आध दो बार अगर नहीं है आप और नहीं कर पाए तो ठीक है, बट एज आई टोल्ड यू, जो आप क्लास में रह के जो आप नॉलेज लेते हैं वो उसका एक ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दैट इज अ लिटिल डिफरेंट, सिग्निफिकेंस उसका अलग ही है. आप भले रिकॉर्डेड बाद
So
में.
majority of the time we should be attending.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
And sir, about that vital parameters and other medical knowledge, so
हाँ.
that will be taught here or we have to learn on our own?
See, we will be
Offline.
वो ऑफलाइन करना है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, एज YPI एंड एज असिस्टेंट योगा थेरेपिस्ट एंड थेरेपिस्ट, certain instruments you will have to buy. वो आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. जैसे कि you will be taught with the help of this like blood pressure and all है, वो आपको वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको जो
Amron.
हाँ नहीं
Amron company blood pressure.
जो आपको स्टेथोस्कोप वाला है वो सिखाएंगे, लेकिन फॉर प्रैक्टिस एंड फॉर योर ओन पर्पस यू कैन हैव एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वाला, वो करेंगे. देन सर्टेन अदर थिंग्स आल्सो यू विल नीड टू हैव विथ यू फॉर मेजरमेंट, बिकॉज स्पेशली फॉर दोनों असिस्टेंट, हाँ असिस्टेंट और ये दोनों के लिए, दैट वी विल
Oximeter, sugar check.
बीपी का वी मे नॉट टेल यू, डायबिटीज के लिए शुगर का आपके पास होना चाहिए, बट वी विल थिंक अबाउट इट.
BP machine, so it is common, sir, for
बीपी तो
that.
हाँ, बीपी तो चाहिए.
Machine and oximeter.
हाँ ये चाहिए.
Yes.
वो तो है.
Weighing scale भी चाहिए सर.
हाँ,
बहुत लोगों के पास weighing scale भी नहीं होता है
वेइंग
ना,
स्केल होना चाहिए. यस, एटलीस्ट किचन स्केल तो होना ही चाहिए. इफ नॉट
कारण
दैट
कि BMI बॉडी मास इंडेक्स निकालना है तो कैसे
करेक्ट
निकालेंगे?
करेक्ट, यू आर राइट हेमांगी. बीएमआई के लिए वेट होना ही जरूरी है.
और सर इसके प्रैक्टिकल
Height-
ये
height check
क्लासेस
करनी.
कुछ होगा तो उसके लिए ऑफलाइन क्लासेस रहेंगे थोड़े.
हो यस, वी विल एडवाइस यू सम क्लासेस इफ यू कैन कम, दैट इज बेटर ऑलवेज.
Sir, in weighing scale also, if you can get those advanced scales, na, where you get the fat percentage.
I'm
muscle mass.
not making that person. No, I'm not making that compulsory. Because many people are not. I mean that from some medical fraternity, many people are not accepting that.
Shall I say something?
हाँ बोला ना मॅडम.
हा नमस्कार. माझ्याकडे ते फॅट वाला वगैरे मशीन कधी 15 वर्षापासून आहे.
Yeah, I know that. I do.
That is just a statistics. That is
I am also not.
that is not at all reliable. BMI वगैरे ते सगळं हाताने काढणं सोपं आहे सर.
No, and
वो अपने को मेजरमेंट करके वो BMI वगैरह निकालना और वेट मास इंडेक्स.
that we have that Tanita वाला एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. It does give you BMR. It's a good thing. But
अच्छा.
BMR देता है, लेकिन many doctors also are not approving that.
Yeah.
We should not make it as a standard thing.
नहीं स्टैंडर्ड बेसिकली दैट कैलकुलेशन करता है वो मशीन.
हाँ.
So like
it also measures certain things. It claims to measure certain things. वो BMR का वो है, लेकिन कितना सच है क्या है वो इतना हम लोग बोलेंगे क्या?
या मेरे पास भी है पर मैं बिलीव नहीं करती उस पे।
कोर्स के लिए हम लोग ये नहीं यूज कर सकते वो।
नॉर्मल डिजिटल वेइंग स्केल भी होगा ना,
हाँ चलेगा,
बेसिक जो वेट दिखाता है वो बस हो गया।
किचन स्केल है नॉर्मल।
या अल्फा में मिलता है,
हाँ
बहुत जगह मिलता है पर
पतला पतला आता है वो भी अच्छा रहता है।
यस यस
दैट इज फाइन।
Yeah.
Have I missed out anything?
मेजरिंग टेप खरीदना पड़ेगा।
हाँ मेजरिंग टेप वो सबके पास जो जेब में ही रहता है सर। But all in all, I am looking forward to this class. I am also myself very excited to learn a lot of new things because of this course. Because काफी सारा हम लोग सीखते हैं, लेकिन जैसे अभी इफेक्ट्स ऑफ टेक्निक्स ऑन हटयोग टेक्निक्स ऑन फिजियोलॉजी में कुछ नई नई चीजें सीखेंगे. एनाटॉमी फिजियोलॉजी, आई एम क्वाइट एक्साइटेड टू लर्न सम मोर न्यू थिंग्स also from sorry and even naturopathy, ayurveda ke some concepts. So it's a very focused course and a lot of exchange of knowledge also going to be there. So it's going to be a good journey, that much I can tell you. Exciting journey. Okay, Lalita.
Yes, sir.
If you want to add anything?
No.
Okay, fine.
Sorry. I have
No problem.
no husband's message. Na Yash procedure started, so I was busy with that call.
No problem.
Sorry.
So I think we can end the session here. Okay.
Yes.
And we are starting the admissions. अपने yoga therapy group में some people have already given names. Those who are already convinced, and they can add the names. For some people who are having challenges in terms of attendance or any other challenges, please get back to me. No problem. I'll see to it that good students, I don't want to restrict their admissions for any reasons. Okay, you are all good students. I don't want to restrict your admission. So please, even if you have any kind of financial difficulties initially, jo bhi hoga, now you know that how supportive our NAI teachers group is there. So we'll see to it that you are there inside, and let that not be a reason for not joining. Okay. All right. So we end the session over here.
Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Namo Namaha.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Namo Namah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
इसका
sir.
link मैं भेज दूंगा आपको. I will send you the link of this thing.